Guys, and welcome to a new tutorial with the Nubian Tech Tips. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your phone with your laptop through Wi-Fi using Mic Client. Well, the first thing that you need to do, you need to go to options, then go to advanced. You will make sure that the control board matches the control board that is written in your mobile app, in your Mic Client mobile app, and then press OK. For me it's matching. Then you will make sure that when you press connect, you will make sure that the IP address is also matching. You will change it right here. When you write your IP address, you make sure that it is matching. Then you press on connect. You press on connect on your mobile phone, and then you press on connect in your desktop app, and then it connects. For me, I'll write my IP address. Obviously, I'm ruling that because I'm not gonna share my IP address with anybody whatsoever. So I'm gonna look for my IP address. Where is my IP address? Okay. Then I'm gonna press on. I'm gonna connect. Press on connect from my mobile phone first. Then I'm gonna press on connect from my Wi-Fi. Secondly, you can see that the mic might not be best because right now I'm using my laptop mic. I'm not using my phone mic. You find that my phone is finally connected. So that's it, guys. If you didn't like the video, make sure to press the dislike button. If you like the video, make sure to press the like button. If you I don't know what to say. If you make sure to comment and subscribe. It helps a lot. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.